Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So basically Meta AI on WhatsApp allows users to interact with an AI chatbot that can engage in a regular convo, provide real-time info, and even generates images. Here's how you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp. And as you can see right here, I don't have the Meta AI on my WhatsApp, but if you do, just follow along the demonstration. First, if you want to activate the Meta AI, open the WhatsApp and tap the Meta AI button, and then usually located at the bottom right of the screen. You're gonna see it. So accept the terms and conditions to start using Meta AI. Now you can chat with Meta AI like ChatGPT. You can ask Meta AI wide range of questions from actual chit chat to specific queries about current events, recipes, or recommendations. The AI leverages real-time search capabilities to provide up-to-date answers. Thirdly, you can generate images. You can generate images using the command /imagine your prompt. For example, typing /imagine a cat riding a skateboard will prompt Meta AI will create an image based on your description. Note that there is a limit of 25 image generations per day, and you have additional features like content recommendation. Let me go back. Ask for specific types of content such as travel videos. You can play games like trivia in 20 questions, and you can use mock interviews. Use Meta AI to stimulate or simulate the interview questions for practice. Meta AI is designed to blend seamlessly with your existing WhatsApp chats, appearing as another conversation thread. While it can generate photorealistic images, it might sometimes produce unexpected results and includes a watermark in generated images. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.